Welcome back to Navigate Nourish Nest, the Empty Nest Adventures of Andrew and Courtney. Today we take you to Arte Museum, Las Vegas. Arte is one of the newest interactive experiential art museums in the Las Vegas area. Arte's current theming is around nature eternal. Each room has its own specific natural theme, starting with waterfalls and going through everything from flowers to forests and more. It was absolutely beautiful. Another nice feature here at Arte is that they allow all manner of photography and videography. There are no areas that are off limits. You can video record or photograph your experience to your own liking. All of these areas are self-guided. You can move through them at your own pace, spend more time in areas where you find it more fascinating or relaxing, and take your time to really enjoy every bit of what Arte has to offer. This particular room is known as the forest. Animals wander through the wooded areas on the screens on either side, and the seasons change amongst the trees. You go from here in winter to spring, summer, and fall with more flowers, the turning of the leaves. Animals such as tigers and bears and deer all wander through the woods. It was really beautiful. And adjacent to this area, there was something else that ended up being a lot of fun. Just around the corner here, you'll find a forest of our own making. There are coloring sheets available for you to color in your own animal, and then you scan it and it comes to life and drops into the forest screen in front of you. It was an enormous amount of fun watching our creations come to life. The darker you shade your animal in, the more it will show up on the screen, so take your time and really enjoy the process. As I mentioned before, once you're done coloring, bring it to the scanner, follow the simple instructions on the scanning machine, and it will bring your creation to life. Then watch on either end of the screen as your creation drops into the picture and begins to walk back and forth with the other animals in the forest. You can see here where my little fox has come to life and he's walking off to be dropped into the screen. In a few minutes, you'll see him walking from the left to the right. It was so cute. And there you see my handsome little fox on his way. We'll come back to the left side of the screen here in a moment and watch Andy's lion come to life on the screen. So you can see how they're kind of birthed and dropped into the scenery. It's so much fun. I just can't tell you how much fun we had with this. There it is. Upon leaving the forest, we moved on to another room that showed us the Aurora Borealis, and from there we moved into the main showroom. It's in this main showroom that we watch a 35-minute show that was everything from the lights of Las Vegas to the works of great artists from all around the world. It was absolutely stunning. You could walk around the room under the arches you see here in the center, and everything around you seemed to be moving and alive. It was absolutely beautiful. They incorporate all of this beautiful art and music and even add scents to the room to make you feel like you're really there. It was a phenomenal experience. This program lasted, like I said, about 35 minutes. It's on a loop, so when you come into the room, you'll be at a certain point, and when you notice you're back to that point, the presentation has essentially ended. So you may come in at this point, you may come in the middle of Van Gogh, you may come in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip experience, but regardless, it takes about 35 minutes to get you back to the beginning, and then you can move on with the final end of the tour, which takes us to the tea room. The tea room experience is an add-on experience. It's not expensive. You can add it directly to your ticket before checking out. I got a black chai tea and Andy got a strawberry tea, and as you can see, these crystal glasses interact with the lights in the room. So as you move your glass, the moon moves toward the glass and the flowers move toward the moon. As you finish your drink, the moon becomes smaller and the bundles of flowers become smaller, and when the glass is empty, the lights dim and the experience is over. It was really unique. We thoroughly enjoyed Arte Museum Las Vegas and think you will too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you for watching.